This is a review of the Narcissus electric knife sharpener, and the brand sent this to me to test out, make a video review, and just let you know how I like it. And so we're going to do a real-time demonstration here with one of my dull knives. And as you can see here, it takes a bit to cut into that. And this has suction cups on the bottom, which is very convenient. Yep, that's pretty good. The directions stated to always work with the sharpeners on the right. So this is on my right. Supposed to go in at an angle. Oh, that was night and day difference. This is a fantastic working electric knife sharpener that I will be continuing to use on all of my knives.